Hey, yo, what's that word, man? I hope y'all feeling good. Welcome back to the channel for another video. I'm just sitting here filling up, you know what I'm saying? But the reason why I'm making this video is because, as y'all can tell by the title, I am doing a POV drive. I know I haven't did one in a long time, but somebody recently requested one, so that's what I'm doing, man. Just gotta fill her up real quick, you know what I'm saying? Got that good old 87 in there. And fun fact, I found out that I can't run 93 on this car, you know, and make a difference without it having a tune first. So, you know, I've been putting 93 in here, you know, spending a bunch of money for no reason. So, you know, we back to 87, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't got no tune, obviously. So that's where we sitting at. But, yeah. You did. Yo, don't mind the mess in here. Got an Amazon fit, you know what I'm saying? Got a book bag. We about to go ahead and get started. Hey, man, I ain't gonna lie, it's a fine shorty to my left. She looking at me kind of hard, but, you know, I ain't gonna say nothing though, cause you know what I'm saying, like, yeah, I'm scared, bro. I'm a
But what the hell, boy?
quick little pull, never hurt nobody, and of course this thing keep falling out. Golly, look, watch this.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
Like, what's it even for? That don't even make sense, bro. Gosh, this is why I hate driving this car sometimes, man, because like that simple thing right there, I need to get some clips, man, because whenever I first bought it, the clips didn't even come with it. I mean, I know it's not supposed to come with it, but my old radio that I had in there, I freaking threw it away like an idiot and didn't even take the clips off because I wasn't paying attention to the manual. It just kind of popped it in there, you feel me? I'm freaking mad too because I don't even got my headset for real, bro. So I can't even like give y'all a true POV, but hey, we just gonna rock it with one hand, bro. No cap. What is that? What's this thing right there? Ooh, what the heck kind of spec was that? Y'all already know this mandatory, but we got the tunnel coming up, you feel me? Yes, I love that so much. And of course, it fell out again. Y'all, please don't get on me in the comments about this freaking radio, man. It works perfectly fine, but it just keep falling out. Y'all, I'm gonna create a GoFundMe so y'all can give me some clips for it. Yo, I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all already know your boy official, man. He driving with no hands. You feel me? I've been doing this since the day I was born. No cow. By the way, this is all GTA gameplay, so don't even get on me for real. Watch. You feel me? Bro, what is this, bro? What is this? What is this? Oh, yo, that's a copper. Man's was right there. He has no idea. He has no idea. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. He has no idea. Bro, now we got unnecessary traffic.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Whatever the heck. Bro, another copper, bro. This man literally saw me with my phone up. I had to throw it down real quick. Now I gotta stop right here, bro. This is unfair. Oh, they out here building houses and stuff. Man, I think I might give up the car stuff, man, and just become a real estate agent. For real, for real. They make a lot of bread, man. I'm trying to get like them. Oh, why is he stopping? What are you doing, bro? Alright, y'all, cut finally out the way, bro. Now I can just drive free, you know what I'm saying? I need to stop treating this car like this, bro. For the sake of y'all entertainment. just be fun though. Ooh, U-Haul. I'll try to take these curves. Yeah, Sirski. Hitting the bridge. Bro, I need brakes bad. I know that's me. I'm squeaking now. Finally get the turn. Quick little pull, you know what I'm saying? I think that was a cop back there too. Again. Bro, they don't care today, bro. That was literally a cop. That man turned right. That's crazy. Crazy work, I tell you. Nah. And let me school y'all real quick, because whenever you turn, bro, you gotta do like this, you feel me? You gotta turn that wheel all the way and let it slide like that, you feel me? And then take off. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do it. That's the proper way to turn, especially when you're making a U-turn. Say I want to slide it right here. Nah, let me stop. Bro, what are you? Oh my gosh, really? You're just gonna back into it, okay? Okay, do you, fam? I know how it be. Hey, look, he about to hit. Never mind. Okay, and it falls out again. You know what, man? I hate it. Anyway, man, that's gonna cut it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little POV drive. I know it wasn't really much, but that's all I got. At this current moment, I have to switch cars with my dad. So, well, not even switch cars with him, but I had to like take his Durango all the way to his job. That's the reason why I came over here. But yeah, that's besides the point. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, y'all know what to do. And I'll see you on the next one, man. Peace, safety, and love.
I just put up fast like a Kawasaki. I've been making cash all day, you know that's a hobby.